Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the high limit cutoff kit on an electric Kenmore dryer. The high limit cutoff kit is a safety device that keeps the heater from getting too hot. If the heating element shorts out and comes on when the dryer isn't running, this will also trip the high limit cutoff to keep the heater from coming on. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch socket, a putty knife, and a multimeter. And please remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your dryer or flip the circuit breaker off before doing any repairs. To get to the high limit cutoff, we need to open the door and remove the lint screen. We need to use a putty knife and push in on the 2 clips that hold the front panel in place, then we can remove it. Then use your 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws holding the blower housing cover. This gives you a little bit more room to get into the high limit cutoff and thermostat. Now you can check the high limit cutoff, which is behind the front thermostat. Pull one wire off the cutoff and with your multimeter set for continuity, use the probes to check across the 2 terminals. If there's no beep from the meter or no continuity, then you'll need to replace the cutoff and thermostat. While you're here, make sure you check the heating element to see if it's grounded. To do that, remove one of the wires from the element terminals and check from one terminal to the metal housing. If there's a beep from the meter or it shows continuity, then the element is grounded and will need to be replaced. If you found out that the high limit cutoff kit needs to be replaced, the best way is to remove the heater box with the high limit cutoff and thermostat still attached and to change them out once the box is removed. You can change them out without removing the box, but it's a little bit more difficult. There's a single 1/4-inch screw in front of the heater box that holds the heat shield. This will need to be removed. Next, remove the 2 element wires. There's a single wire all the way in the back that goes to one side of the high limit cutoff that also needs to be removed. Once you've done that, you can tilt the heater box up and pull it straight out. Now you have easy access to the internal parts and wiring. Make a note of where the wires go and take pictures if you need to. Once you've made note of everything, unplug the jumpers and unscrew the old high limit kit. Here are the old high limit kit parts and here are the new ones. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now you can swap out the parts and reattach the jumpers. When you're done, push the box back into place with the lip going inside the hole in the back. Then install the heat shield and reattach the wires at the heating element. After that, attach the single wire in the back to one side of the high limit cutoff. Then put the blower housing cover back on along with the front panel. Once you insert the lint screen, you're done. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new high limit cutoff kit yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Now, before you wander off, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support and we'll see you next time.